Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be discussing that if you're applying for a job, if you're looking for a job, so which online platform is more capable of arranging interview calls for you. If I talk about myself, I have been able to successfully generate job offers from LinkedIn and Naukri both. And in my opinion, if I have to tell you that which is a better platform among these two, then I would always go to LinkedIn. Now there are several reasons for that and we will be discussing each one of them in this video. I'll be sharing you my personal experiences. So guys, before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, so here I make contents that help IT professionals in their career. So if you are one of them, then consider subscribing to this channel. So guys, there was a time when Naukri had monopoly in this area. In fact, when I was searching for a job, I got a call. It was a very reputed company, and in fact that time people used to dream of joining that company. They took my first round, technical round, and then the final was the HR round. It was properly, the way it is conducted in an actual company. But then the HR told me that it was actually a backdoor entry. Now, if you don't know about the backdoor entry, that is basically they have some contacts in the company and using their influence, they place you there by any other means. And for that, they were asking me for about 2.5 lakhs. If I pay that, then only I'll be placed in the company. And since then, I have been hearing a lot of people saying that they are getting fake job calls. You will find genuine consultancies as well, a lot of them on Naukri. But here as well, what they do is they'll take your interview, they'll shortlist you, and after that they'll ask you to enroll with them, take a training with them. In fact, that training is just what you learn in the college. Then they will give you assistance of job, not even job guarantee. If you crack it, then you crack it. If you are not able to crack it, then all your money is wasted. Money is wasted because you just learned the same thing again. And for this, they are charging around 70 to 80,000. So you will find these sort of consultancies a lot. In fact, more than genuine companies, such consultancies overpower Naukri. Now the third point that came into my observation, that there are many non-technical jobs as compared to technical jobs. So you'll find a lot of BPO jobs, financial jobs, and a lot of KPO jobs as compared to technical jobs, like technical as in Java, Spring, .NET, front end, back end. So the quantity of these jobs are comparatively less. Till the time you're using the free version, you have less visibility. That means the HRs and the companies who are coming here to actually search for the right candidate, your visibility is very less. Naukri will always keep pitching you about their premium plans. One of my friend took the premium subscription as well, and in fact once he paid the amount, there was no communication from Naukri. He had to struggle a lot even after paying the premium. So that depends case to case, but yes, this is what I got the information and I wanted to share with you. Now the next thing I know is in Naukri, HRs come to know about your visibility only when you update your profile. Okay, so if your profile is created and you have not updated it, you will never get an HR's call. This is good, but it can be vice versa as well. For example, if I just go and update my resume, but I'm not looking out for a job, but still I'll start getting calls because there is no mechanism for HRs at Naukri to know whether you are actually looking out for a job or not. Hence, at times HRs are not able to reach the right person. Now these are, guys, my reasons for not preferring Naukri, and let's come to LinkedIn now, why I prefer LinkedIn more. So the first point that I liked about LinkedIn is here you can actually follow the company itself, and there is no limit for that. Okay, you can follow hundreds of companies. So if there is Techim is having an opening, when they post on their timeline, it will automatically come in your feed. Now when you see openings in that company's page itself, then those are genuine openings. There is no consultancy involved. So here the chances of getting a genuine offer are more. Now the next important part is here you get the HR's contact. Now this is important in which scenario, let me tell you. Firstly is obviously to get the interview call, but once you have given the interview, okay, that time it is important to follow up the HR for your result. There can be times when HR or the company is taking their own sweet time, okay, to tell you that whether you are selected or rejected. Hence, follow-up becomes an integral part of the interview process. In fact, I have made a complete video on how to do a follow-up with HR. So if you are in a similar situation, stuck there, you can simply go and watch this video. Now, one of the best feature that I liked about applying through LinkedIn is whenever there is a job opening for X company, right there's a section of the connection. People in your connection who are actually working in that company. You can simply go and ask for referral. Okay, that makes that task very easy and the probability of you getting the job becomes more. when you search for a job, you can search worldwide. It can give you options of Australia, Canada, UAE. Apart from India, LinkedIn is used more as compared to any other platform. If you see Indeed, for example, okay, or even Naukri. So if you want to apply jobs in Gulf, then you have Naukri Gulf, and your Naukri application will not have that visibility. Similarly, applying through Indeed, so you have Indeed.in, Indeed.ca, Indeed.au. You have to change your browser settings, or you have to download different applications in case you want to apply for a different company. Now the last point, but not the least, what we discussed in Naukri, that the HR never know whether you are actually looking out for a job or not. But here in LinkedIn, you might have seen that we have an option of open to work. So when you declare that you're open to work, that genuinely means that you're actually looking out for work, and it makes life of HR easy to approach you. So here HR are actually contacting people who are genuinely looking out for a job. In fact, guys, let me tell you that recently I updated my LinkedIn profile. I followed all the steps that needs to be done for a perfect LinkedIn profile, and within some days I got offers from the HR side. Okay, I was not actively looking out for a job. They contacted me, and all of them were genuine. And if you want to make a good LinkedIn profile, then you have to just do one simple thing, is go watch this video. In this video, I have told you that what is the right approach to make a strong LinkedIn profile. So guys, my suggestion for you, if you're looking out for a job, will be focus more on LinkedIn. Use strategies that does work on LinkedIn, and that way you will have a better job offer from LinkedIn. Don't be completely dependent on Naukri, and don't fall for consultancies and fake job offers. So guys, if this video was helpful for you, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you have any queries regarding this, message me on my Instagram. You can follow my page there, Be Alpha Employee, where I post good contents regularly that are helpful for a fresher, and even for someone who's looking for a job, and even for people who are working in the company. And then like this video and do share it with other people who are actually actively looking out for a job. Guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.